Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be sharing this dupe with you. If you want to learn how to make this Mickey Mouse tree, go ahead and stick around. So this is the tree that we are duping. I spent $40 on this tree, and the tree that I am going to make with you was $5. So let's talk about supplies. I got this tree, some hot glue, these little ornaments, some jingle bells, and some extra garland. Now I just want to let you guys know I got everything from the Dollar Tree. So I spent like $5. That's including the glue. Like really I only spent $4. And if I were to do it all over again, I would probably get some extra of the ornaments. The jingle bells were fine, but I'd probably get some extra ornaments. So let's talk. Those ornaments, I am hot gluing the jingle bells on the side to make little Mickey shapes, if you cannot already see that. And I kind of slowed it down a minute ago to show you the line on the ornament that I was kind of using as where I was gluing the actual jingle bells on. Now you'll see I'm pulling out the ornaments, and that's because I plan to actually use them later, which is why I wish I had gotten more. But since we are duping, there are these gold string that came along with the ornaments, and I'm stringing it through because in the original dupe, they have gold string holding all the ornaments on. So next I'm just pulling out the tree and I'm fluffing its branches, and that is why I have the extra garland. I have the garland to kind of enhance the branches of the original tree because it looks a little like a Charlie Brown tree and we want it to look magnificent. Well, unfortunately, I couldn't get a great angle of putting on the ornaments, but I just did what I thought was best. Basically, I just put ornaments on where I thought I should, and I actually glue a top ornament on the very top of the tree, similar to the dupe, because the dupe has a ornament on the top, and I thought that was important. And then I'm also going to add ornaments to the bottom, which you will see that I'm going to hot glue them, and that is why I wish I had more of the ornaments, because I would have liked to have put more on the bottom. But other than that, I think this tree is absolutely stunning. So here is a little side-by-side. Mine is obviously on the right, and the tree that I purchased for $40 is on the left. I am obsessed. If you enjoyed this, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't joined my Disney family, I would love to see you back here. Go ahead and hit that little red subscribe button. And as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. See you guys real soon. Bye.